In this video, I will show you how to buy coins in Coinbase Wallet. So first of all, you need to have your Coinbase Wallet account set up, and this is something different than Coinbase. So once you have it set up, go ahead and go to the home screen or anywhere else and just select the crypto that you want to purchase or the coin. So I'm just going to click on this search icon at the top, and now I can just enter in a coin that I want to buy. And let's say I want to buy Ethereum, then I'm going to click on Ethereum in here, and now I see this option buy in here. So what you need to do when you select a coin is just scroll down and then look for a buy option. And once this is grayed out, this means that it is not possible to buy this coin on Coinbase Wallet at this moment. And that is, for example, with the BNB coin. When you click on this, you see that it's grayed out and it is not possible to buy it because it is not being supported on Coinbase Wallet. But if you have selected a coin that is able for purchase, then go ahead and click on buy in here, and then you need to enter the amount that you want to purchase. Then you have your payment methods that you can select down below. Just go ahead and click on this, and then you can just select your debit card or fiat balance. And some coins even have more available payment methods, for example, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and basically stuff like that. So now I'm going to click on back. And now I can just go ahead and click on continue to payment, and I'm going to pay with my debit card using Coinbase because my account is linked. So go ahead and click on continue to payment. And now you can also click on pay with here at the top, and then you will see a bunch of other payment methods, and then you can also add a debit card. And now you're actually paying through Coinbase on your Coinbase wallet. And if you're sure, you just go ahead and click on confirm. And if you have set everything up right, then you can just go ahead and click on confirm, and then you will buy coins on Coinbase Wallet like this. You can also always buy coins on Coinbase and then transfer them easily to your Coinbase wallet when you have the two wallets linked with each other. This is another way to actually buy coins in Coinbase Wallet just by using Coinbase on a different way. But this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.